Hey everyone, so I'm back on make another video. Have some Auxbeam 9006 for my lows. It comes in a pretty nice package. I mean, it's sealed and everything. It's not like anything crazy, but that's the. So then, anyways, yeah, there's these. They are 6,000. Okay, so this is it. These are all things that says, you know, extremely bright, stunning, simple install, 5,000 hours, you know, whatever, without non-fading. But it's 9006, but it's not marked. I don't know why. Open these. Ooh, even comes with some nice stickers. That's cool. Those are really nice. So this must be the lights or like instruction probably. But these are the actual lights. They are actually pretty nice. They're like a metal, like looking feeling. Those are right there. So hold on. So what was in this little tiny box is the instructions, just different languages and stuff like that, but nothing crazy. What was inside this accessories box or extra? I don't know what that. Oh my god. Accessories box is just the ballast, or so that's it, nothing else there. It's pretty simple. So I'm guessing these are like the canvas decoder. Let me see. So these must just be like so that if there's like some flash or something, or you might need extra power. I'm guessing because these just look like direct bolt-ons, but we'll take a look and see if we need them. Okay, so I got them in, and they look awesome. Had to do a little hack job on it, but it fits. This is it. There's stock. Gross. Here's the T1 aux beams. It looks awesome. Don't mind the messy garage. But so this is how I had to do to make them fit in your Chevy cat eye style. Let's see if I have the piece still. So all I did was cut out this piece right here. So I had to cut out right there. All I did was I literally just did a hack job, but I just got my heat gun. Just got the plastic just really hot so I could stick my knife into it and just cut it out. And actually fits perfect. So, let's see, watch. See? Bam. No issues whatsoever. Let's see if we can even put this back in. Pin. Boom. And we'll go get some videos of what they look like. Let me see. There you go. Looks awesome. Yeah, but I'll get some videos of us driving. Okay, so we're back now. I'm just showing you how bright it is. That house is pretty much lit up. It's kind of hard to tell, but like literally, it's like night and day, obviously, from halogens. Like I've never had LEDs personally. I've always had HIDs, but man, these are super bright. Like, those are my brights. You can't even see my brights on, like, at all. So now I'm gonna have to buy some highs. But yeah, that's my brights right there. That's right there. Off. Brights. Off. But oh man, they are so bright. I'm gonna put a link down below where you can get these, and I recommend them. Definitely, for sure. You just might need to do some cutting, but other than that, it's just plug and play. I never use those decoder ballast looking boxes at all. So, yeah, I haven't had any issues, and they were actually like super white, like pretty much perfect white. So no yellow or blue or anything to it. But, yeah, if you have any comments, leave them down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah. Share, do whatever you want. Thank you for watching.